The number of initial public offerings globally is on the rise.
The broader index is going up. Usually these are the times companies try to get an exit from private markets to the public markets.
Privately held companies are using so-called IPOs to go public and help raise capital for expansion and pay down debt. In the U.S., about 60 came to market in the third quarter of 2025, raising more than $14 billion from July through September, according to IPO research firm Renaissance Capital. That makes it the biggest IPO quarter in the U.S. in 4 years. But Hong Kong is faring even better, thanks in part to strong liquidity of banks and support from China's government, encouraging publicly listed mainland companies to seek listings in the financial center. In fact, a surge of companies going public on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange has it on track to become the world's leader in listings in 2025. Besting both the New York Stock Exchange and the Nasdaq, Hong Kong's exchange is expected to see up to 100 IPOs list this year, with total fundraising estimated to surpass $25 billion. Seagram believes sectors like tech are also driving IPO momentum.
There is that higher expectations about AI as a value add to the society and to the companies around the world. I think that is the reason Hang Seng, the Hong Kong markets are running up, and that is the same story in the United States.
A representative for U.S. healthcare business Oxyware, which just won FDA approval for a patented wearable medical device, says the company is open to an IPO.
An IPO absolutely is in the works in the near future, partly for two reasons. One, for marketing globally, and number two, for manufacturing globally.
Patel believes going public would have multiple benefits, including better pricing power, increased product access, and user affordability.
You can build a factory in the countries that need it and effectively drop down the shipping costs in those countries.
Seagram is cautiously optimistic 2026 will be an even better year for IPOs overall, provided economic conditions remain resilient.
If we have some sort of a mini correction, maybe around 10%, 15% correction, then the IPO market would be dampened.
Karina Mitchell, CGTN, New York.